You're a startup founder, confused about what is going on in the industry. This one is for you. I want to talk about three things for you. One is cutting the noise. Two is finding out what you exactly want to do. And three is looking into the future. I want you to sit down and write down all the things that you want to achieve with your company. And once you write that down, your decisions from that point on must focus only on getting there rather than to listening to all the noise that's existing in the industry. You don't have to care about what NVIDIA is doing. You don't have to care about what Claude is doing or Anthropic is doing. You don't have to care about what Sam Altman is saying. All you need to care about is your company, your people, and what you're going to be building. If Claude or Anthropic is going to help you get there, use them. If Sakana AI's Fugu is going to help you get there, use them. I use Sakana AI, by the way. It's amazing. And if ChatGPT is going to help you get there, use them. Because the world that you want to build is built from you in the middle, not the other way around. The last thing that I want to talk about is adopting to change, which is the future. The faster you adopt to any change, the better you are going to be. This has been a trend for all the greats and tycoons in the industry, in humanity for that matter. There's this insane story of Rockefeller who embraced change like no one else. He was embracing change as if it was a piece of cake back in the day. And look at the companies he has created today. Standard Oil is still existing, and there is so much control that they have. We as entrepreneurs need to embrace change. And in times like this, the faster somebody is changing and adopting will be the ones to survive. And that is what I want to leave you with today. But most importantly, startups are hard. I know that. I'm in this with you. But most importantly, we're going to get through.